Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Amanda here with Healthy Glow. Today I wanted to show you guys how to use the Great Shape Contour Kit by Jane Iredale. It's so easy. I'm sure you've seen some contouring out there before, and it is like all this mapping of your face. It can take, people take hours doing that. This will take you minutes. It's so easy. It's in one compact. It's super simple, and look how pretty it is. You've got, this is your highlight, this is the blush, and this is what you will contour with. I am using shade Warm. I just like the shades in it. Shade Cool, it's just a little bit lighter on these colors. And then there is the new one, Deep, and that is from the spring collection, and that is beautiful as well. But I'm gonna start with the Warm. To start my face off, I have already applied BB cream in, what did I do? Shade BB4, and I used the Flock sponge for application. I am finding that this is super quick. I used to use one of the brushes, but this is new for me to use this, and you just go like this, super easy, quick, and it's really, really soft. So I started with that, and I actually put the primer on before that as well. So let's get to the contour kit. The first thing you'll do is you're gonna take your contour color, and the areas you want are the forehead, underneath the cheekbone, and then along the jawline. And you can also do like the sides of your nose. I don't do that part. I'll show you what I do. The reason why we do this is you can see right now, my face looks fairly one-dimensional because I've basically taken everything out of it by putting the foundation on top. We want to enhance what we already have, like our cheekbones. The idea of putting the darker contour on top is to kind of take the focus off of the forehead, and you bring the focus here. So I'm going to use the Chisel powder brush, and then it's really pigmented. So I'm just gonna dip in a little bit, barely tap it, and then I just apply lightly. I'm gonna use this as well to look. It's kind of hard to look on my phone. You just take it, swipe it a few times, just kind of get like the dimension that you want. If you don't want it very dark, I'm gonna do it light so that you guys can see that you don't have to do some wild contour look. And then next I take it right here. And if you get too much, because this is a powder, you can blend it or take your base foundation powder that you have and just kind of blend it out with that. The bristles are falling off. This is an older brush. Okay. So then do this side. Just kind of find right under your cheekbone. You don't want to go too low because then it puts too much darkness down here. I like to bring it up here as well to kind of connect what you've done in the forehead area. This bristle does not want to come off. There we go. All right. Then I just do a light layer here. Can't see it very well in this coloring, but okay, so now I'm gonna kind of blend a little bit. You guys can see the definition there, so it kind of, see this view, it gives me that definition in my cheekbone. It's so pretty. Now my face doesn't look so one-dimensional. And then second, I'm gonna take the blush. So to smile, I just dab it on my cheeks and bring it up a tiny bit above my cheekbone. It's easier if you just dab, don't like rub. So look how pretty, it just brings beautiful natural color to what you already have. Okay, lastly you highlight, and the highlight is basically this area. So you want the lightest color in this area, under your eyes, the top of your nose, your chin, and then you can do a little bit in this area. So I'm gonna take the Handy because I like that it is flat. You don't need a lot, again, just barely rub it, and then I'm gonna just dab it right in the center of my forehead. See, just kind of lightens it. It also smooths out my skin tone right there as well. A little bit on the chin, on the nose. take the, just a little bit of the brush and dab it so it's not all over it so I can get under my eye. And that's it, look how easy. Beautiful, I went from a one-dimensional face, I added just the 2 colors and then highlighted in the center. And that's it, it's beautiful. If you feel like you're missing anything, you can go back and add a little bit of blush. You could take a highlight, the actual illuminator, and put it here if you wanted to do that. I don't have any on me to show you guys. But lastly, I like to take the hydration spray so that it lasts all day. I'm gonna use the D2O. And it feels good. So that is it. I'll finish off with the new pink glacé. It's so light and smooth and not sticky. So there you go. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching.